Look, somebody wrote BTS on the side.
Oh my gosh, BTS. I bought 2 sets and I'll be giving away 1 set and keeping another. But if I get enough photo cards, the winner will be able to choose which photo cards that they want. And these are our drinks that we got. I got a persimmon juice smoothie and Yamasi got cherry aid, and they also gave us some free toast. I'm so excited.
So let's see which photo card I got. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. Okay, this is not a photo card. This is just like...
And also her bias is Jungkook.
I know, so hopefully this time it's him. Oh my gosh. I got beautiful. The Prince, Jin, Casey.
Worldwide handsome.
No, I love Jin though.
Why won't you focus? It's like a little glare.
There we go.
I'm sorry about the lighting in here, guys. It's kind of dim. Like natural lighting is usually best, but it's okay.
But it also came with this as well.
Oh my god, that's beautiful.
I did not expect.
We just have to leave the frame. It doesn't want us. It has to focus on one thing. Whoa, this is beautiful, guys. It's like really thick plastic.
This is like really, really nice.
I think it's like a stand, right?
It looks like it.
Or is it like more like a bookmark? Because like, what's this?
I have no idea.
Do we take this off and make it into a stand?
I think so.
Like, what is it? We can't figure it out right now.
But I don't think. I'll just show you the inside. So,
or maybe
there's 2 photo cards, and I happened to open on Jungkook.
Oh my gosh, so there's 2?
So maybe it was Jungkook. Oh, it's not a photo card. It's a big hit survey. I don't know why it's in the same photo card, but I opened on the page to Jungkook.
Nice. That's such a good picture of him.
And then there's just lyrics.
Memberships.
And then there should probably be thank you notes. Yeah, and thank you notes, and Jungkook has 2 pages, so if you enjoy to read Korean, please read Jungkook's. But yeah, that's it for the Y version.
So, I have 8 of them to open. Oh my god. Let's start with the Y. So, oh. I love opening albums. Oh, I love opening albums so much.
Ditto.
So, of course, I got this. This is such a nice picture. They look so soft, especially with their black hair.
I know.
And like
so
their
weird.
white outfits. They look like angels.
It's so nice seeing them go like natural.
Oh yeah. Oh, these pictures are so beautiful. I'll show you guys later. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Oh my god, Namjoon! Is it focusing? Please focus on this beautiful specimen. Is it focusing?
Yes.
Okay. I love him so much. He's so gorgeous.
It's so cute.
And then... Oh! So it's the same. For some reason, I was expecting there to be like different ones, but they're all the same. So I guess, okay, I don't really have to show you guys since you've already seen it. Oh, this is just the little card, not the photo card. I dropped it. I got Jimin. So, funny story, I have every single Jimin photo card because I literally get him every single time.
I think it's just fate.
I think it's fate. I mean,
he's meant to be your bias.
He's meant to. My bias is Tay, but oh my gosh, he looks like a cute little. He looks like a kitten sleeping in this picture. But okay, this goes in here. I always get Jimin, which of course I'm not complaining because I love him. I love all of them equally. Yay.
Which version is this one?
This one is the O version. I'm gonna do them in order. So Y-O-U-R.
You're doing them backwards order.
Did I do the Y first or no?
No, you did R. So you're just going backwards.
I'm going backwards. I guess I don't know what I'm doing. Yes! I got J-Hope!
He looks so handsome.
I love him so much. He's definitely my bias wrecker. Like, for a long time, I was definitely double biased, but I think Tae's my bias, and yeah, Hoseok is definitely my bias wrecker. And then, of course, this beautiful, beautiful picture, stand or bookmark thing that we still need to figure out. And then this version is the Y. Guess who I got? I got Jungkook.
My bias.
Oh, why
I love
is it
him so much.
Jungkook, focus. Oh, maybe I need to leave.
There you go. It's focused.
Okay, this is so nice. This is so
I know,
beautiful.
especially in the Y version too.
Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. You know what we should do? We should lay out all of our... Okay, so now I'm gonna open the rest of them. So we're gonna start with R. Again, this... Let's see which photo card I got. Oh, yes! I got Tae! Tae is my bias. Oh. Look at this beautiful, beautiful man.
You got your bias.
Oh! So his eyebrows.
He looks so good.
I've seen a lot of photo cards on Instagram. Like, people already bought their albums from like Target or Walmart and they're like posting pictures, but I haven't seen that picture, so I'm really excited. But this one is the U version, and of course this
Again.
And then Yoongi.
Oh my gosh, like we got everybody.
Oh, he's beautiful. Oh, Yoongi. He looks
You
like...
just finished the band because you got J-Hope, you got Rathmon. Yeah, you finished. You got all 7.
I feel so blessed. So blessed. Oh my gosh. And this is the O version. J-Hope!
You got the same picture.
I know. I'm not complaining. I love him so much. Oh.
There we go. It's focused.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I love him. And then finally the Y version. Jin! Is this the one you got?
Same picture.
Same picture.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have double Jin and double Hoseok.
Yes.
Which is funny because Jin was actually my first bias and then J-Hope was my second bias. And now my bias is Tae.
At least you got Tae.
Yeah. Okay, well, I guess they've already seen this one. So I'm just gonna flip through all the albums and show you guys all the pictures. out that this looks like love. Like here's the LOVE. And we never really noticed that until now. We thought it was just like squiggles,
Yeah.
like random squiggles. But I'm pretty sure it's his love.